the roll-ups, and Devil Dancing.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sophie, why is Sophie?
Yeah, you guys are practicing she's down in her shoes. Because she's in soft.
Is this an equipment giveaway?
Hi guys, thanks for coming out today to our little backyard premiere for our film Howitzer Tales, The Boogeyman. You all know who I am. I'm the director of the film, Michael Gaffner. That is Adam Ristoff, for everybody who doesn't know him, which is nobody. And he is the writer of the film. We had some other people here today, like Dudley and other people that were meant to be involved. Dudley is our executive producer, and he's stepping into the director role for our next one, taking over from me. So, what you're going to see tonight, we have an hour of films from the modern era of Howitzer Tales. The music choice isn't incidental, by the way. This is Driftwood Fire. They are our official partners for our music. They provide me our theme songs for our episodes. So that's why we have them playing. Now, what you're going to see tonight, you're going to see the first film in the modern Howitzer Tales era that we did, Howitzer Tales: The Survivalist. It's about a half hour long. It's the first part that was of what was meant to be a 4-part series. That didn't happen. But we figured it was prudent to show it to you so you could see where we started and where we are now. Following that, we have our Appalachian Hills trilogy, which is Howitzer Tales: The Appalachian Hills, Forest of Memories. The second is titled Songs Without Words, and the third is titled The Anarchist Crash Course. All three of these films are short films, and then we'll have a break when we introduce our newest film, The Boogeyman. That's all I'm going to say here. I'd like to hand it off to Adam now to talk about Mediaworks a little bit and his involvement.
Hi there. Before I even get in on me, I would definitely like to point out Deanna and my wife. I don't know if she's even out here right now, but they have been working since God knows when, trying to get this thing prepared. So if everyone could give them a round of applause, they deserve it, because this wouldn't happen without Deanna. This wouldn't happen without Darren, who's not here. This would not have happened without Amanda. For those of you who don't know me too well, or know me, a little bit, or don't know me at all, I'm Adam Ristoff. I've been writing since kindergarten. I've been writing scripts in 7th grade. The Boogeyman is a very special project for him, for me. I think that what makes it special is the fact that it can be related into normal life. Let's face it, you go to work and they don't care who you are, what you're going through, what you're doing, you still have to put up or shut up. And that's basically what this is about. It's a lady named Dana Falco, played by Jennifer de Blasio, who has to basically find a way to marry her own personal demons with the fact that she is a leader of a post-apocalyptic, what do you call it? Diesel punk.
Diesel punk is the genre of what these films would be.
Post-apocalyptic diesel punk settlement out in the outback of the Appalachian Hills. This is episode 1.
You wrote a letter apologizing for your absence, not realizing it only hurt me. I read it slowly, shaking like a bird, fighting with the wind, shocked I was all alone. So I got one thing
I'd like to thank everybody for coming out to our premiere this evening. I hope you all enjoyed the films, even if there was a little bit of language going on there.
I heard you.
I'm just happy with it.